Welcome to our instructional video on solving the problem x squared minus 8x plus 16. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this quadratic equation. Make sure to follow along closely and take notes if needed. Let's get started. In step 1, we start by examining the quadratic expression x squared minus 8x plus 16. Notice that the expression is a classic quadratic form with coefficients of a equals 1, b equals minus 8, and c equals 16. The next consideration is to simplify or rewrite the quadratic expression in a more revealing form. Here, we should recognize that 16 is a perfect square, as it is 4 squared. Additionally, the middle term, minus 8x, fits a specific pattern related to the perfect squares. Specifically, 8 is twice the value of 4, which matches our perfect square term. Given this, we can rewrite the quadratic expression as a perfect square trinomial. If we observe, the quadratic expression can be rewritten as x minus 4 squared. This is because x minus 4 squared expands out to x squared minus 8x plus 16, matching our original expression. In step 2, we confirm a rewritten form of the quadratic expression as a perfect square trinomial. The expression x squared minus 8x plus 16 can indeed be simplified to x minus 4 squared. This is evident because expanding x minus 4 squared results in x squared minus 8x plus 16, which is identical to our original quadratic expression. Thus, the quadratic expression x squared minus 8x plus 16 is rewritten as x minus 4 squared, making this the final step in simplifying the expression. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.